Nice to see you again in this video. Today I will reveal to you how to turn a washing machine motor into a generator. First, I will disassemble and remove the engine cover. This motor is quite difficult to open, so it took me a long time to remove it. I used a chisel to split the shell in half. As you can see, the motor's stator coil is still pretty nice, but I'll have to change a few things so it can generate electricity. With this rotor shaft, we will have to turn it into a magnet so that the motor can generate electricity. I will use a 12-volt battery to excite the rotor shaft. Next, I will use wire to wrap around the rotor. Note, wrap at least 3 times around the rotor. Next, I will swipe the 2 ends of the wire to the 2 poles of the battery. After excitation, we will check the rotor's magnetism. We will use a small piece of iron to test the magnetism of the rotor. It is great that the rotor has a very strong attraction. Next, we will install this rotor shaft in its original position. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I will use a hammer to hammer them in as securely as possible. Now we will check if this motor can generate electricity. I used a voltmeter to measure the current to the motor. Great. When I cranked the motor, the voltage meter turned. The meter turned to 12 volts. So the motor can generate 12-volt current. I used a piece of wood to make a base for the machine. Then use specialized glue to fix the motor to the wooden board. We will use electrical tape to wrap the unused electrical part of the motor. Next, I used a small motor using 12 volts to pull the big motor. I smeared some special glue on the small motor shaft. Then I put a pulley on it. Next, I will attach another pulley to the shaft of the generator motor. We will still use specialized glue to attach it most firmly. Next, we will create the legs for the small motor. I used 3 pre-cut pieces of PVC. I will apply glue to the PVC pieces one by one and attach them to the small motor. Next, I will mount this small motor onto the wooden base plate. I will use wire to connect the small motor to the generator motor. One end of the wire I will solder to the foot of the small motor. The other end of the wire I will connect to the output of the generator, so when the generator motor rotates, it generates electricity. It will make the 12 motor rotate accordingly. I will use tape to wrap the wire neatly. I will try to turn the generator motor to see if it can make the small motor turn. Great, the little motor turned. I will use one connector to solder to the output of the generator motor. We will use tin to solder the connection point, then use electrical tape to wrap the connection. Next, use specialized glue to fix the connector head to the wooden board. The final step to completing this cyclic generator is to create a belt to connect the generator motor and the traction model. I will use a rubber band and use a needle and thread to sew the two ends of the rubber band together. We will install the belt on the two pulleys. I used my hand to activate the generator, and both motors rotated smoothly and showed no signs of stopping. Now we will take this machine for a test run. I will activate the generator motor to spin. Then I use a circuit to boost the current from 12 volts to 220 volts. Next, I used a fan to test the generator current. Once the fan is spinning, I'll use another light bulb to test it. Amazing, the machine works extremely powerfully. I didn't expect that with just the washing machine motor it could generate such a strong 220 volt current. With this idea, we can get a free source of electricity from this cyclic generator. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.